Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum guide. Imagine this, you have 10 agile teams working on the same product. Sounds sufficient, right? More teams, more speed. But what if they are not aligned? Suddenly, instead of progress, you get noise. Everyone is busy, everyone is sprinting, yet the product feels stuck. Each team is doing agile but only inside its own world. They have their own backlog, their own priorities, their own definition of success. There's no shared vision pulling them together, no common direction, just silos. Team optimize locally, but nobody is accountable for the whole product. Work moves fast inside each box, but value moves slowly across the system. Now at dependencies. One team finishes their work, but they cannot move forward because another team is not ready. That second team is waiting on a third team, and a third team does not even know someone is blocked. No one clearly sees who depends on whom. This is dependency chaos. People wait, context switches grow, and frustration rises. The work is not hard, but the coordination is. And when everything finally comes together, releases get delayed, integration happens late, issues surface at the worst possible time. Timelines get pushed forward again and again, deadlines slip, customers grow impatient. Inside the organization, teams feel stressed and blamed, even though everyone followed agile practices exactly as taught. This is not a rare edge case. This is what happens in many organizations with 10 or more Scrum teams working on the same product. Everyone is agile at the team level, but the system itself is not agile. The problem is not people, the problem is structure. Agile works brilliantly for single team, but at scale, coordination does not emerge by accident. This is where SAFe comes in. Not to replace Agile and not to slow teams down, but to organize Agile at scale. SAFe is a response to the exact problems you just saw. It adds structure where structure is missing, without taking agility away from teams. Instead of teams pulling in different directions, SAFe creates alignment around common goals. Teams still plan and execute independently, but towards the same outcome. Everyone understands what matters now and why it matters. Instead of random timing, SAFe introduces a shared cadence through program increments. Teams plan together, commit together, and integrate together on a regular rhythm. Dependencies do not disappear, but they become visible and manageable. Waiting turns into coordination. And instead of surprises late in the process, SAFe emphasizes transparency across teams. Progress, risks, and dependencies are visible early. Conversations happen sooner. Decisions are made with shared context, not assumptions. The important thing to remember is this: SAFe doesn't replace agile teams. Scrum teams still sprint, backlogs still exist, iteration and learning still matter. What changes is the system around those teams. Chaos turns into flow. Disconnected effort turns into coordinated delivery. So, if you are working in an organization where everyone is agile but delivery still feels slow and painful, this is not a failure of Scrum. It's a signal that agility needs organization at scale. Remember, SAFe is not replacing Agile, it is organizing it. In the next video, we'll check out a SAFe framework overview.